you can do the fault code reading, you can clear the faults, and have more features related on this engine. So there we have the fault number, the description on the fault. Here's the freeze frame data to see when the fault happened and the current and the timing too. Also, depending on the fault and the coverage, we do have more technical information related. Takes you right directly to the component. For example, temperature sensor at the input SCR is too low. So we select from here. We can see the part. There's an image on the location, the values that you need to have, the pinouts, and more. You have the troubleshooting document related to this fault. Gives you the possible fault causes, the troubleshooting, how to check, run it, and final recommendations on this. And you do have more special functions. For example, under live monitoring, you can see the different systems. There's the fuel system. Also, you can see here the values, temperatures. You have the after treatment system right here. Gives you an overview. This will be specific to your equipment, so it will look a little different on John Deere or whatever. You can do live measurements and record it. It's gonna be available up to 90 minutes that you can run. Let's do an example on this different temperatures. It shows you the faults that you have on your equipment, and it starts recording the values on the sensors on the temperature. Here's this type of view. And once you stop the recording, you can access it right here. There's the live monitoring and the fault code reading. Now, as far as parameters, you can change the fixed speed, the idle speed, the limp mode. There's where you do your modifications on the engine. Here's where you modify the different speeds. The maintenance options, being able to do a reset, an automatic reset on the pressure relief valve, and the AWDF model cleaning too. So you do have these special functions from here. This is an overview, and you got the step-by-step instructions.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.